Welcome guys to a 2024 Audi Q8 E-Tron. It's a brand new color called Magnet Gray, and it comes in two versions. It's the regular SUV, and it comes with a Sportback version as well. The Sportback version, Audi says it will claim up to 480 kilometers range, and this will be 460. This has got the upgraded rims, right? It's got the redesigned back. It's got just a bit of details, which is a bit more modern versus the 2019 Audi E-Tron. So here's a full view. It's going to show you the sizing of inside of the interior, right? And then this will be the trunk. So it's got really good sizing, a bit wider than a normal SUV. And now we're just going to take it for a quick drive. So it's a very nice interior. All the quality used in the interior, it's very, very nice. There's no plasticky feeling. Just going to turn the car on right now. So it's basically got the Q8 concept, right? A double touchscreen, Audi virtual cockpit in the front. This one has the premium package, so it has the lane assistance, front and back sensors, backup camera. If you do the technology package, you will have the head-up display, adaptive cruise, and the top view camera as well. So as mentioned, it has this backup camera, front and back sensors. The orange line, if you see right here, if you turn your steering wheel, it will actually guide you where you want to go, right? So let's start in the front, in the center. This is what you call the virtual cockpit. There's not much range left, but for a full charge, you can go up to 460, 470 kilometers. If it goes to left and right, this is the source. This is your phone. Navigation is right over here. If you use your left thumb, press the view, you can go to the navigation on the left, or you can expand it, and if you roll it with your left thumb, you can actually zoom in, zoom out. Blind spot monitors for both sides, and there's a different drive modes right over here in the drive select. So right now there's a efficiency will give you the max range, comfort will be the softer ride, and because this car comes with the air suspension package, it will actually go up or down. Automatic is going to be a balance of both, and then dynamic, if you go to this one, it will actually drop the suspension. Individual, and you can actually find set what kind of driving setting you would like. For this package, it comes with heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated back seats, ventilated seats as well. And then for the drive modes, you see this lever right here. So make sure to press the brakes. Just press it to the front, it go to reverse. To the back, it goes to drive, and then parking will just be on your left thumb. You see this P button right here. So you guys are ready, let's take it for a quick drive, and then make sure to press your parking electric parking down too. So right now we're just gonna go for a normal drive, and if you can hear, it's a very quiet drive. The glass is a bit more thick, so there's less noise, and because this car is a wider car, it's got the air suspension, you feel like you're driving in a train. And with the air suspension package, it comes with 4-wheel steering as well. So when you're turning, it has a smaller turning radius as well. Today is a windy day. I'm driving around 95 kilometers per hour, and as you can hear, it's a very quiet atmosphere. There's not much wind noise, there's not much tire noise. It's a very pleasant place to be. So apart from just braking, for Audi E-Trons, they're trying to use a concept that's like the Tesla cars. Tesla cars has the one pedal driving, which Audi has something a bit similar but not as drastic. So if you see on the left side, you see a minus button and a plus button right over here where your usual pedals are for your downshifts and upshifts. So if you're gonna brake, like what I'm doing right now, if you press it once, it actually slows down a bit, if you can see right over there, and then you can do it twice, which would be the maximum. So when I'm going onto the ramp in a second, I can show you folks what it will do. So when I'm going on the ramp, if I tap once, it's gonna slow down slightly, and if I tap twice, it's gonna slow down. And when you're slowing down, it will actually help recharge because there's a regenerator at the back. So as long as you adapt to a new driving habit, you actually get more range because it depends on how you drive. If you're coasting, or if you're exiting a highway, or if you see a stop sign in the front, as long as you're coasting and then you're slowly braking and slowly using the pedals on both sides, it will actually help regenerate, and you'll be actually surprised how efficient the regeneration is. And if you guys can see, if this car's on your blind spot, there's going to be a yellow light. If you turn towards it, it will actually flash. So it's a very safe car. And for this car as well, it comes with the lane assistance package. So if you see this tip right over here, if you give it a press, it will actually keep, as long as you're driving 65 kilometers and up, your car will actually stay in the lane by itself. So as you folks can see, there's actually trucks around us and there's a truck in front, but even on like a more congested highway, it's actually a very quiet place to be. Again, because it's electric, there's no engine noise. Our glass is more thick, so there's less noise coming from outside. Our tires is with Continentals, so it'll give you the most comfortable, most quiet ride. So if you're exiting ramps like this, we're going to utilize the braking, so that will help us regenerate. So every time we brake, or if we see a stop sign, as long as we use that, the kind of a one pedal braking system, it will actually help regenerate a lot of range, and it actually adds up. So once again, Audi promotes this car from getting around 460 to 470 kilometers range. I have customer get up to 530, 540, but that really depends on your driving habits, the climate, the weather, where you are, how much tech are you using? Are you using AC? Are you using heated steering wheel, ventilated seats? So all that will actually impact your range as well. So as you can see, I'm using that to kind of slow down, and obviously that will help increase my range as well. One cool feature is if you press your brake a bit harder, you'll see this green P pop up. So that's the electric brake that's automatic. That's only available in electric cars. So what it can do is it will actually automatically turn on your electric brake, and once you release your brakes, it will still be parked. When you want to go, just gently tap on the accelerator, and that would cancel out. So it's good if you're always stuck in traffic, you don't always have to put your foot on the brakes. So if we're ready to go, just tap on the accelerator and that would automatically cancel out. So right now, Electrify Canada is offering up to 2 years of free charging only for the Q8 E-Tron for 2024. So if you're looking for an electric car, this would definitely be one of the top contenders, especially from the increased range from the 2019 to the 2024. So we're back at the dealership right now. If you see something like this will be the level 3. Just grab the plug from the left hand side. So look like this. Just plug it right in. Press start. There you go, free charging. So thank you for watching this POV vlog. My name is Albert Chow from Audi Niagara. If you have any comments or if you have any questions, please leave it at the comments down below. Have a great day.